Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing the first part of Unit 5 in Let's Go 5. And this unit is called The Future. So we're going to explore how to talk about the future. The first part here is the Let's Talk section, and Kate and Jenny were just talking about what they think they'll be in the future. Let's watch that video.
What do you think you'll be when you grow up?
Oh, I don't know. I think I'll be a tennis player.
Good idea. You play tennis very well.
Thanks. I love to play tennis.
My turn. What about me? What do you think I'll be?
Maybe you'll be an engineer.
Really? I don't think so. I hate math.
You hate math? I'm surprised. You're so good at math.
Well, I think I'll be a designer.
You're probably right. You're really good at drawing.
Maybe I'll make a tennis outfit for you.
That'll be great. Thanks. What do you think you'll be when you grow up?
Cool. And after that, we learned six new jobs that we haven't covered before. And those jobs were like this.
A tennis player. A movie director. A designer.
A hairstylist.
A surgeon.
A flight attendant.
Okay. And finally, there was one pattern on the page, and the pattern looked like this. It just asks, what do you think he will or he'll or she will or she'll be? And then we can answer with, I think he'll be I think she'll be Okay, for example, I think he'll be a cook. I think she'll be a taxi driver. It's a cool pattern, so let's practice it first. What do you think he'll be?
I think he'll be a tennis player.
What do you think she'll be?
I think she'll be a movie director.
What do you think he'll be?
I think he'll be a surgeon.
Okay, and now that we've practiced it, I think we can go ahead and start our workbooks. All right, it's time for workbook. And this is the first page for Unit 5, which is about the future. And let's do the talking part first. Let's talk, and all we have to do here is look at the sentences and then number them. And it's the same as our student books, so if we don't know, we can just look in our student books. Here's number 1 already. Trace that. What do you want to be when you grow up? And then Kate answers, she's up here, so I think she'll say, I think I'll be a designer. So that's number 2. And then number 3, she should ask, right here. You're probably right. You're good at drawing. All right, and then Kate can ask, what else? Jenny, what about me? What do you think I'll be? Number 4, and the answer is, all right, here we go. Maybe you'll be an engineer. So that's 5. Jenny answers, really? I don't think so. I hate math. So that's 6. And then Jenny says, I want to be a tennis player. So 7. And Kate says, good idea. You play tennis very well. Number 8. All done, part A. Okay, and part B is a crossword puzzle. So we have to look at the different pictures and then write those words in here. All of the spelling is right up in here, so it should be pretty easy. Let's start. Number 1, this person is a flight attendant. F-L-I-G-H-T-A-T-T-E-N-D-A-N-T. Flight attendant. Okay, and then we'll do number 2, I guess, and this is a hair stylist. So HAIRSTYLIST. Okay, and now the down ones are down here. Now let's just go from this side. So number 6 down is a surgeon right here. SURGEON. Surgeon. Number 5 down is a designer right here. DESIGNER. Designer. And number 4 down is a tennis player right here. TENNIS, tennis, player, PLAY, play, ER, tennis player. And that leaves number 3, which is right here, and she is a movie director, and that's right here. Movie, MOVIE, and then director, DIRECTOR, person who makes movies, movie director. And we're finished. Very good job.